Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start a series on expert packing tips. My daughter Danielle has traveled a lot and she has this worked out to a science. Today we're going to start with packing cubes.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Danielle and I'm going to show you a bit about how I pack. I've been traveling quite a bit, especially after the last 4 years. And so what I will show you is what I've been doing for the last 4 years that has worked really well. So the first thing is use packing cubes. The first time I heard about packing cubes, I just thought it was unnecessary. But then I thought, okay, I'll just buy some and see how it goes. And then it's worked out so well ever since I've just bought more packing cubes. So the first thing about packing cubes, why you need it, or why it's useful at least, is you can fit a lot of stuff in one cube. So I have in here several shirts, shorts, pants. In another video, I'll get into the specifics of how to pack this cube itself, but I just want you to understand that you can fit so much more in a tiny space. It can compress the clothes. This particular packing cube is made out of the same material as parachutes, so it's super lightweight, very durable, and the zippers hold up really well. I've tried some other brands and nothing has worked as well. This brand is called eBags. It's the one that was originally recommended to me, and I've tried like 5 different kinds, and this is still the best one I've ever used. Also, these are 4.5 years old and they still look brand new. Some of the other packing cubes I have tried, they're not as old as this and they've worn out much quicker. So packing cubes, when they come, they're really tiny like this. They can pack up to this. So I'll just demonstrate with a coat that I have. This is a down jacket. Okay, I bought this last year from Land's End. I went to Harbin, China. Harbin is in the north of China, northeast. It's between Russia and North Korea. So it gets really cold up there, and if you haven't heard about it, I had never heard about it until maybe like 2 years ago. Every year in January and February, they have a huge snow and ice festival. It's like a winter wonderland. They get ice out of the river and they make like palaces out of ice. And you can go, it's like a mini village. So anyway, it's super cold there. You need a really warm coat. So I got this on Land's End and it can fit in this size packing cube. So I'm gonna show you how I get it in there. And the reason I'm doing this specific one is I want you to get a really good sense of how much can fit in a very small packing cube. So the first thing I will do is zip all the pockets. Next, I'm gonna fold the coat. So everybody has their own methods of folding. So I'm not gonna tell you exactly how to do it, but I'm gonna do it like this because I've made it fit this way before. You can see it got pretty small already. So next, I need to open this up, and it will take some maneuvering, but I should be able to get it. Actually, this is probably going to look a little sloppy as I do it, but I'll eventually get it in there. Oops. Okay, now this is where I have to start pushing, but it should work. You can see how the coat is starting to compress in there. And there it is. It's inside the cube. So if I were going back to a really cold place and I wanted to bring this coat it would not end up taking up much space in my luggage because it fits in this cube. The other thing is, now that it's already in there, I can start making some more space just by compressing it like this. I'm also not worried about wrinkles because this is a down jacket. As soon as it comes out, it won't be wrinkled. I can take it out later to show you. But now you can see I also have some room right here. So if I wanted to put some socks or something, a t-shirt, whatever in there, it should fit. Yep, so there it is. You can see this cube is a little bulkier than this cube, but remember, because this is a down jacket, it compresses. Once it's in my luggage and I shut it, it will push down to be flat. So it shouldn't be a problem zipping the luggage. And just to take it out to see what it looks like when it comes out, the coat's fine. I could just put it on, wouldn't think twice about wrinkles. So that's the first one on packing cubes. Thanks.